Yo, what's up, guys? This is me again, MasterKairobot, another episode of Have Fun Stuff. You know, yeah. Welcome to the first episode of my devlog. Yeah, this is my devlog. I don't know what I'm doing. So, it's not a game. Totally, I'll be honest with you. It's not a game. It's all about. Oh, yeah. If you guys notice in my YouTube channel, Ronzibal is my name. Yeah, I changed it. So yeah, thank you guys for 112 subscribers. Now I'm making my own devlog. Anyway, it's for Discord, which is right over here. Discord channel. Yeah. Please do not join that channel, please. Well, if you want to, guys, you could join. I'll link down below. Also, oh yeah, I forgot that I have. So yeah. This is my devlog. I hate starting my own devlog. Okay. So welcome to my devlog, guys. Do not look at the in progress. That's my video devlog. So if you guys want to start your own bot, you can literally go to download this Discord bot maker and just hippity hoppity type your the Discord Discord bot maker tutorial blah blah blah. So this purpose of this bot purpose of this devlog is because probably soon I'll make my own Discord bot, and you could guys use my Discord bot for whatever reason. So this is the YouTube channel of Discord bot maker. You could subscribe it now, guys, and also please do not forget to subscribe my own YouTube channel, please. Yeah. Overall, you could watch everything, guys, here, demonstrate there. Also, you could join to their Discord server. It's over here. I'll link down below. Also, we have tap.gg, which is we will use to send our bots. So, Roland, what did I just update or what did I just made? Well, Mister. Oh, did not look at the tabs, please. Also, I think, yeah, I think the all of the links are now fixed. Probably. I hope so. I think yes or no. I don't know. Also, the last video, guys, it's all about the extras, or probably because when I played Among Us in Roblox, you could literally play it in Roblox. Yeah. I will say though, I will try to make an Among Us video with my sister, but yeah. So yeah, welcome to the Discord bot. This is where stuff what's happening. So do not look at that. Do not look at that. Do not look at that command. Do not look at that code. Yeah, it's something. Totally not kissing part. Totally not kissing part. Oh, let's just do some stuff real quick. So yeah, I've added help random ban kick purge for a while. So yeah, guys, you could use those codes up. I think I could link all of these up, guys, for if you're going to start your own. But so I'll make you a tutorial right now. So how you will use Discord Maker bot. So, cause yeah, cause why not? If you guys aren't subscribed and watching this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also like to never miss any videos out. Yeah. So all you wanna do is go to Discord's API or Discord developer channel. Let me just search it real quick. I'll be back. Just a second. Okay, I think that the problem is, yeah, I'll be back. So I'm back, guys. Yeah. So first you go to the Discord developer portals application, which is easily right here. This is all the bots that I made. Currently not in sale because I'm not making them. Of course, a character issue. But okay, so this is my bot Ichigo from 002. Yeah. Please don't judge me. So all you wanna do is get the codes. Get the client ID and other stuff such as go to the O2, and there's, I think, yeah, there's client ID and more stuff that you could click on. Yeah, but this one is important to create bots. I think when you start your own bot, you could create your own bot, and there's a token which is you could use on the first making on Discord server. So when you, I mean Discord bots. So when you start your own Discord bot, it will literally need you before starting, guys. You before you forget something, please use click. Make sure to get the bot token and also the client ID before making the codes, or probably it will be just wasted. Also, if you want to encrypt some password there, yeah, you could do that. And also, yeah, I'll show you how to use your commands. So first, we will make our own command, which is test for now. Test. This will make sure that our bot is working. Before also, guys, if you are going to type something, make sure to click save. Yeah, and also if you want to not go click back, save, blah blah blah, go to the option and there's an auto restart bot on save, which is when you click the save, it will automatically reboot it for you. So you don't need to off your bot, do it again, blah blah blah, other stuff. Yeah. So there. So like I said, you could do that and a lot more. Oh, there. When it's turned into grayish, it means that it's offline and it's still running. So all you want to do is click create. Actions is the command the commands that the bot will do after clicking on typing on the corresponding command names. When they type test blah blah blah, you could do that. Yeah, that was the meaning of it. I'll be right back. So there you are, guys. This is the send messages, and you can type in, bro, this is only a test. Please like and subscribe. There, so if once you click the create action, which just makes the bot execute what you type in, and also make sure to save it using the save command and other stuff. So there, we will hit save, which just makes the bot into offline for a while, then makes it online again, which is, yeah, that's the bots. This is the Discord bot maker. So if you are using the Discord bot studio, you could sure search on other tutorials. This is only Discord bot maker, which is greatly used for coding, and it's kind of look like a Python for me. Yeah, it's kind of look like a code for me. Yeah. So after this bot, I'll resume it after this bot being online. So yeah, I'll be right back. So okay, there you are. Now, all you need to do is go to your Discord bot, which is in our Discord. There you go. Also, guys, I forgot to mention you, it's better to use Trello.com to, yeah. So if you type test, it should say that, this is only a test, blah, blah, blah. See? Bro, this is only a test. Like and subscribe. There. So, it's a lot of more potential in this bot making. I got a lot of message from the developer. I'm still contacting him about the new commands. Also, I will talk about this soon. All of these commands, and I'll make sure to you guys to learn it all about. Yeah, we will soon learn the events and settings, more setups. Yeah. Also, I'll probably make more develop for my bot Ichigo. It's probably releasing on maybe 2020. It's almost 2021, I guess, because I don't really much know what should I do and when should I release her. It's probably more like a coding stuff. Yeah, a lot of pretty stuff. So yeah, make sure to use Trello.com, link down below. Also, yeah, subscribe now, guys. And also, please leave a like down below and go to the other channel that I recommended. Yeah, they are also great. See ya, guys, and see you next time. Bye.